Hello everyone, I'm Vincent Chan from Podder.net, and today we'll be taking a look at the HUAWEI Noah 5T, the latest addition to the HUAWEI Noah family in Malaysia. This is a pretty affordable phone with pretty good specs too, so let's take a look at it now. So when I say pretty good specifications, the HUAWEI Noah 5T actually comes with flagship specifications. It comes with a Kirin 980 chipset, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. These specifications are what you will find in the most recent Huawei flagships, so it's really good. In addition to that, you also get a quad camera setup, which is what you will get in a recent Huawei flagship. So you get a 48MP primary camera, a wide-angle camera, a 2MP super macro camera, and also a 2MP depth sensor. So as you might realize that Huawei themselves do not really have the flagships with 48MP cameras. So this is something that is actually better than their flagships, I would say. And of course, the 2MP macro camera is also a new addition to the Huawei family, which would give you additional perspectives in your photography along with the wide-angle camera. Now moving on from the rear camera, the selfie camera is a 32MP one. As you might realize on the design of this phone, it's actually pretty unique because it's a punch hole design instead of like the notches and whatnot. And yeah, the screen is a 6.26-inch one, which I would say it's not too big and not too small, perfect for people who need smaller phones but still want the screen size to see more. And I would say that it's a pretty interesting design, although Huawei has used it previously in the Huawei Noah 4, but this is a pretty nice upgrade from that. So a lot of phones have transitioned to in-screen fingerprint sensors. The Huawei Noah 5T here features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor in the power button. So I would say that it's not a big loss, and in fact it might be pretty beneficial too because the technology is mature, and so I wouldn't consider this a problem at all. And considering the price, definitely not. So last but not least is of course the design. This is a beautiful design, and you can see that Huawei went the extra mile to totally redesign the whole back of the phone. They even have a new logo for the Noah family. And if you look closely, you can see like there's like a mirror-like effect. It's apparently created by using 2 layers of glass to create that very deep 3D effect. It's visible on the black, on the blue I would say, and also the exclusive purple color. So yeah, the latest addition to their lineup is the Huawei Noah 5T in purple, which I would say it's probably one of the most attractive ones with the beautiful patterning across the whole back. So I did say that the Huawei Noah 5T is an affordable device, but how affordable, you might ask? It's just RM1599, which I would say is a very good price for such a device with all the specifications that I just mentioned, the 48MP camera, 32MP selfie camera, the Kirin 980 and 8GB RAM. I would say that this is a pretty solid phone for the price. Of course, we'll be taking a more in-depth look into it in our full review, so stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. Bye!